men's grooming has come a long way in the past few years. That's why Manscaped created the Lawn Mower 4.0, your all-in-one solution to trim down there. The Lawn Mower 4.0 is waterproof and cordless, so it's perfect for trimming, even in the shower. And these ceramic blades with SkinSafe technology, which helps reduce nicks and cuts on the most sensitive regions of the body. A full charge lasts up to 90 minutes, plus when done, you can easily recharge by dropping it into its wireless charging dock. In use, it fits in my hand perfectly, which really helps when navigating those tough to reach regions with confidence. It's super lightweight and also comes with these different trimmer guard options, which is great if you're looking to give yourself a sick fade or experiment with some fun shapes and outlines. Whether you like that high and tight, or you may want to go for a more maintained look without being totally bare. Check out the new Platinum Package Bundle, your all-in-one men's grooming kit with head-to-toe tools for your family jewels and everything else in between. Don't wait, go to manscaped.com, order today, and get 2 free gifts plus free shipping.